Hello friends, Kalrose Kulhalol presenting this video for Standard 8 English Medium subject English Grammar. Friends, today we are going to discuss about one important topic for English Grammar, that is about articles. Articles we already studied in Standard 6th and 7th, okay? But here in the form of the syllabus we have to study about the articles. What is the meaning of article? An article is a kind of an adjective which is always used with give some information about a noun. Okay, article is a one kind of an adjective, but it is used with the gives some information about noun. Articles gives some information about noun. The English language has two articles. Okay, English language has two types of article. Definite article and indefinite article. So the and a and n, the, there are three articles, but in the form if you are talk about, there are two types of article, definite article and indefinite article. The use is to refer to specify a particular noun. A or n is used to modify non-specific or non-particular noun. Okay, a or n is used to specify modify non-specific or particular noun, and the definite noun is at the definite article, and a and n are indefinite articles. The जो है वो कौन सा आर्टिकल है? The is called definite article and a और n जो है वो indefinite article है. Indefinite article are two, a or n, and the is one definite article. Usage of them, we use the to talk about the geographical points on the globe. If you are talking about the geographical points on the globe, you can use the article. The South Pole, the equator, what is this? This is geographical pole. So if you are talking about the geographical pole, you can use the article. We use the article to talk about the rivers, oceans and seas. Okay, rivers, ocean and seas, noun, you can use article now the Ganga. Okay, this is the name of the river, Ganga. The Pacific Ocean, the Gulf of the Mexico, etc. All these are called about the different oceans, rivers, seas. In front of the name of them, you can use the article. We also use the before the certain noun. We also use the article before certain noun when we know there is only one of the particular thing. Okay, certain noun for fixed noun means the rain, the sun, the wind, the world, the earth, the White House. This is are called certain noun. So in front of the certain noun you can use the article. Next, we use the article to refer something which has already been mentioned in the previous. There are, if you are talking about something in the before sentence and the same things you are repeating, you are going to repeat into the next one, you can use the article. For example, there is a position available of my team. The job involves some international travel. The job. Okay, here use job is the position available in my team. Okay, so if you are going to repeat something in the next sentence, you can use the article. So friends, the article used in very different situation. Here we studied about that geographical points on globe. Okay, if you are talk about the rivers, ocean and seas. Okay, next is if you are talk about the certain noun. Okay, particular thing means as the sun, wind, world, earth, okay, White House, everything what is certain, and the refers to has already been mentioned previously in the previous sentence. So for that condition you can use article the. Now usage of article a and n. In which condition you are going to use about the article a and n? Okay, a and n article is going to use in which type of condition you can use that article is given here only. Okay, a and n are the indefinite article. These two are indefinite article. Okay, a and n are called 1 minute. A and N are called is indefinite articles. Indefinite articles means what? In the types of the articles, there are two types of article, definite article and indefinite article. So this is indefinite article. A and N are indefinite articles. They refers to something not specially. They refers to something not specially known to person you are communicating with. They are not special. A and N are used before the noun and introduce something or someone to have mentioned before. Okay, there's two condition you can use A or N. For example, I show a monkey. Okay, monkey is a noun. Okay, it's a name of an animal. So in front of that you can use this morning. A or N also using to talking about your profession. If you are talk about I am an English teacher. Okay, one thing is certain that in front of the consonant you can use A article and in front of the sound you can use N article. Okay, A or N noun are reforming begins with the consonant. A noun जो है कब यूज होता है? A noun is used when a noun you are referring begins with the consonant. The noun जो है वो consonant से अगर start होता है, the noun which will start with the consonant, you can use A article. और जैसे कि a city, a tree, a room, C-T, room. How many vowels are there? How many sounds are there? There are 5 sounds. In English, there are 5 sounds. A, E, I, O, U. So an article will start which in front of the noun that will start from the sound. Okay, means umbrella. U. What is U? Sound. Apple. A. Sound. Ink. I. Sound. Pen. Ink pen. Pen is not sound but ink pen is a single word. So ink pen के सामने क्या use होगा? N use होगा. Simple thing. Whatever the noun will start with the consonant, you can use A article. Whatever the noun will start with the sound, you can use N article. Pronunciation changes. This rule. Pronunciation must be. Okay, you need not to see the letter of the word, but you have to take concentrate on the pronunciation. Okay, if the here consonant, if the word begin with the consonant, if the some nouns word with begin with the consonant, but it's spelling with the sound, so in that condition you can give the importance to the sound. For example, university. University यहाँ पे U भले है. Okay, there is U here only, but university's pronunciation is start with the Y and Y is used for Y. तो Y जो है वो sound नहीं है, इसीलिए a university आएगा. Okay, if they are begins with the vowel, for example HOUR, H जो है वो साउंड नहीं है, H इज नॉट साउंड, बट इफ यू आर प्रोनाउंसिंग देम अवर, ओके, अवर, तो अ जो है वो क्या है? साउंड है. दैट्स व्हाई अवर के सामने क्या आएगा? एन आएगा. सो प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. So omitting of an article, some common type of the noun that don't take an article, some common type of noun which doesn't need about the article. Some common types of the noun जिसको article की जरूरत नहीं है. Name of the language. Okay, name of the language and nationalist, जापानीज, इंग्लिश, जर्मन, रशियन, उनके सामने आर्टिकल की जरूरत नहीं है. स्पोर्ट के नाम के सामने भी जरूरत नहीं है. क्रिकेट, हॉकी, फुटबॉल. नेम ऑफ द एकेडमिक सब्जेक्ट जैसे फिजिक्स, बायोलॉजी, हिस्ट्री, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, इनके सामने भी आर्टिकल की जरूरत नहीं है. फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी स्टडी अबाउट द आर्टिकल ए एंड द. ओके, बहुत इजी है ये चैप्टर. ए और एन जो है साउंड और कॉन्सोनेंट के ऊपर डिपेंड रहते हैं, और द जो है उसके बारे में हमने यहाँ पर डिस्कस किया. इन सारी चीज़ों के सामने द आर्टिकल यूज होता है. एवरीथिंग वॉट एवर आई एक्सप्लेन, आई होप यू गाइज कैन अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द टॉपिक आर्टिकल. ओके, ये जो एक्सप्लेनेशन है, दैट एक्सप्लेनेशन आई विल सेंड थ्रू द PDF दैट यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. हियर गिवन वन एक्सरसाइज इज देयर. ओके, दिस एक्सरसाइज यू हैव टू सॉल्व इन योर नोटबुक विद द आंसर. ओके, ये जो एक्सरसाइज है आपको आपकी नोटबुक के अंदर सॉल्व करनी है आंसर के साथ. बराबर है. इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो फ्रेंड्स वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट न्यू चैप्टर, न्यू टॉपिक. ओके फ्रेंड्स, बाय, टेक केयर.